Hi, it's Jez from Nigezza Creates. No, it is a still photo that I'm showing you here. I found this video on my phone from before I went away, and I don't think I've published this whole video. If I have, my apologies, but I don't think I have. I've looked and I can't see it. So here are some vintage and antique mostly books for you to drool over. That's what I did when I saw them. Okay. Hi, it's Jez from Nigezza Creates. Thank you for joining me today. So I've got a vintage book haul for you today. There might even be an antique or two. So yeah, here we go. So first up is this French book. Paid £3.50 for it, so there must have been a reason why I was feeling that extravagant. Well, first off, the colour of that page is just beautiful, and it's 1921, so it is antique and it's French, and there are, I think, some lovely illustrations. So we've got some maps, so it's a tourist book, I think. And yeah, I just liked, it's on really thin paper, that is. The book pages aren't as thin, but some of these maps are. They're just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And let's see, oh, look at that, it's got a bit of a pocket there. Oh, what's hiding down there? Oh, it's a little surprise. Wasn't expecting that. So and that is the Metropolitan de Paris. So is that the underground in Paris? Might be. That's really lovely. That might even be worth framing. I like it. So nice little surprise stuck down there. Let's have a little goosey gander. Anything else hiding down there? No. But yeah. So this would be nice if I use this cover in a journal, because it's already got a pocket in it, which would be nice. I love the colours. Yeah, that page. Ooh, that's another nice little surprise there that I wasn't expecting. So yeah, so lots of lovely illustrations, maps. And yeah, some of these colour plates as well, which are great. And because they're blank on the back, it'd be nice to just pop in a pocket, and then you've got some journaling space on the back. So there's quite a few of them. So that's why I decided that I was going to spend that amount of money on it, because there was plenty of reason for doing it. So what's this? A lovely illustration. There we go, that's really nice. And that one. So yeah, I was very pleased with this little find. And I love Paris. Ed and I went to Paris quite a number of times, the last one being in 2023. Oh, that's nice. Folds out, folds down. So yeah, that's a little French book. Where can I put it? Just put it there, Jez. Okay, I will. And this one, Raffles. Spine's falling apart. I did like the cover. that was one of the main attractions to it. The colour of the pages I like, and it is not got a date on the inside. Okay. And yeah, I suppose I bought it because the pages were lovely and the cover was falling off and I really liked it. So yeah, nothing too majorly spectacular. Here we go. I spent another £3.50 on this. I say another £3, but you know, it's another book. So love the cover, and it is a coloured picture Bible for children. So this was, I think, does that say 1972? So, or is it 1912? I really don't know, because it's obviously older than 1972. But look at these illustrations. They're just gorgeous. I'm going to have to do a bit of research actually and find out the actual date. But oh, they are. The illustrations in here, and this is beautiful. But yeah, so lovely, lovely illustrations there for when I finally get around to doing a sort of religious themed journal. Just love it. I used to, as a kid, I used to love our children's Bible as a child going through. I loved looking at the illustrations, and I do have a really old copy I found in a charity shop and unearthed it recently, which is like the version that I looked at as a child. So yeah, love it. Really beautiful pictures. So yeah, that was well worth £3.50. So that's that. I love the cover, and that would make a nice different sized and shaped journal, that. So very pleased with that one. And here we've got The Boys of Willoughby School. I loved the cover, just loved it. I just think that illustration there and the colours and up there, just beautiful. And I loved the spine. So if I was going to, and I've spent another £3.50, I must have had a bit of a £3.50 roll. I would want to make the journal a bit thicker. But right, so this 1891 is when that was written on there, and it says 1888 here. So a nice antique. Might have to look it up, make sure it's not worth a fortune, which is something that I do. You said do-dos. Is that I tend to, you know, do a bit of research and, you know, make sure that the books, sometimes I find the books are worth maybe 20 quid, and I just think I'll get 20 quid's worth of pleasure out of using the book. So I don't worry about that. There we go. Lush book. Lush. Right, this one. What did I like about this one? Not really sure, Jess. Pocket Guide to Wild Flowers. I paid £2.49 for it. So let's see if it was worth it. Don't have a date. I've got a date here that says 1955. This edition was published in 1973, so it's not in the least bit old. Oh, it's got these nice black and white pictures. Oh, and some even nicer black and white illustrations here. So lots and lots of those. And then we've got some more. But these ones are in colour. So that's why I bought it, because I loved that. Love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it. I love it. So yeah, that was why that one was bought. Here we've got, oh, I loved this. I absolutely loved this. Samples and stitches. Love. Love, love, love. Love. I'm just looking for a date on this one. 1934. So not massively old, but you know, it is an age. It's like 90 years. So we have got these lovely pages here, which I thought would be nice as a journal page. Some of them in colour and some aren't. These ones clearly aren't in colour. And even these pages will look nice as a journal page. And it's actually quite nice, thick paper. So none of these are colour. Obviously the first one is. Are any of the others? No, not colour, Jez, not colour. Would it be nicer if they were in colour, but you know, if I'm doing a neutral journal, which I do intend to do, you know, it's perfect for that. I don't want colour in that one, that journal. So yeah, that was what? And I really like the cover as well. And then lastly, in this little haul here, I have got our King and Queen and the Royal Princesses. So this will be Queen Elizabeth II, sister Margaret, and their mum and dad. There we go. So I'm probably going to give this away. Because I think I've got enough royal stuff for my royal journals, but I don't need any more, although I might look and decide that some of these little pictures I might nick. And then yeah, lovely, lovely old pictures. So yeah, I need to double check and see if I've got them all. She's stunning. So yeah, I know somebody going to the next retreat with Rachel and Bella, I think, wanted some royal things, so I might harvest a few things out of here and then pass it on. Although they're quite nice sizes for cutting out paper dolls with as well. So, yeah. So, yeah, beautiful, beautiful illustration. So that is the vintage book haul there for you. Hope you enjoyed seeing those. And I will bring you projects using these very, very soon. Okay, bye for now.